I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery. One of the things as a crafter that's so hard to do is to stay organized. Often we have these boxes of junk that we just then have to rummage through trying to find what we need. So one of the best things to find is some kind of box or something that actually has little compartments in it. And then you can take different kind of jars that fit that size and start to get yourself organized. And so I'm going to empty all the junk out. And I'm going to place the jars inside. And maybe you want them to look more decorative. So this one won't fit because of the handle, but I wanted to show you on these I used jute string and just went around, hot glued it on there. Or you can take something more colorful like the raffia and you would just wrap it all the way around. Another thing you could do if you really wanted to was you could use glass paint and paint on here what's inside of your jar. And so I decided these are my glue pellets that I use inside my little glue pot here. And so I've made 2 jars with that because that's something that I need a lot. And I'm going to put those in. Then I want to have my wire cutters, very handy because that's something you need with every project just about, and my scissors. So I'm going to put those in my jar. Now I'm ready to grab those. In this one, the other thing I'm going to use a lot are my glue sticks. So I'm going to come in, add those here. I have my next jar and my next jar. So now I have this all put together. I'm going to put my wire in one. And then when I get finished with my glue gun and it's not hot anymore, I'm actually going to place that down inside here. So now I can just pick up my craft box and take it wherever I'm going. Something else I found, and you should always be on the lookout for things like this, is this really nifty, and it swings around. And so what I've done is I've started, I haven't finished yet, but I've started, I need lots of nails and screws and things like that as I'm making different projects. And so in each one, I'll be able to put my 1-inch nails, my screws with my anchor bolts, my 2-inch nails all throughout, and it'll help me to stay more organized. Being organized in crafting sometimes doesn't seem as much fun, but it sure does take the headache out of trying to find your supplies. So what are the ways that you keep yourself organized? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.